This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Clipboard History so Windows stores recent items. Open Settings, go to System and Clipboard, then toggle Clipboard History on. Once done, press Windows key plus V to open the Clipboard pane and see text, images, and screenshots. Make sure sync across devices is enabled if you want shared content. You should also confirm you're signed into your Microsoft account. That lets Cloud Clipboard save items for 30 days and makes retrieve. You now inspect and manage items. Open Windows key plus V, scan the list, and tap any entry to paste where the caret is. Pin items you reuse so they won't expire, and remove unwanted entries using the X. If you prefer a full wipe, choose Clear All. Once comfortable, use PowerShell or Command Prompt. Pipe output into Clip. EXE to set clipboard contents, or type echo off clip to clear it. These steps let you control what's stored and how it's used. Finish by verifying advanced behavior. If clipboard items disappear, restart Explorer. EXE or sign out and sign in, that often restores clipboard functions. For persistent problems, check Event Viewer for related errors, run sfc/scano, or test in a new user profile to isolate the issue. If sync fails, confirm network and Microsoft account status. Troubleshooting tip: when nothing works, boot into safe mode and test the clipboard. If it works there, a startup app is like.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.